Today I wanted to do a honest review of this plugin for Premiere called DEHANCER. Now they emailed me a few weeks back and asked me if I can give them a honest review on video. And I thought, you know what, I would like to try that and get the opportunity to do a review like this. Anyhow, how about if we get right into it?
Early the next morning.
Okay, so let's jump into this. This is a project that I worked on a couple weeks ago, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to use this one just to show what this plugin can actually do. And it's not that hard to use it. Here, I just want to show you this. You can go into plugins and video effects. Oh, I already have it up under film emulsion. Once you have it installed on your computer, just do that right away. You'll see what will happen. See, it changes what it kind of looks like. So you can go into, let's say, film. You want to change your profile, and it will change to something like that. And what it originally looked like that. So it just has a slight little change, but what I notice is that there is film grain, and you can see it a little bit right here. Hold on, let's see. You can see my footage is a little more sharper. You can tell right in here compared to here. You can tell there's a little bit of film grade. Just like playing around with it a little bit. See how wild you can get with this. That one's not too different, but you're just playing around. And now that's really different. The one thing I could use this for is like in video tours when I'm doing it before and after. And I can see this being used for something like that, a before and after kind of thing where maybe a client will ask you, can you do the outside and then come back in a couple months when the house has been redone? And this, I think, can give it of course, an older look. Maybe there's also, you might have a client that just wants a kind of a film kind of grain to it. Instead of it being so clean, it does have a, like that's just nice and sharp, but not saying that there's anything wrong with this one. But as you can tell, it has a little bit of green, as you can see right in there. There's a little, I really think that's really kind of neat. I think the other profiles are when we're going through, what's that called? Let's say if I bring up colors, and there's LUTs. Yeah, that's what it would be called. And really, I don't think LUTs have anything green. You would really have to make some, oh, that's really different. But I'm not sure if you can actually do that with, have a film grain in a LUT that already comes with Premiere. Anyways, I just wanted to show that. I thought it was kind of neat. The link is in the description. And if you want to take a look at this, you can download a free trial. I think they give you about 2 weeks. You can try it out and see how you like it. Soon I should be able to get the plugin for Lightroom and Photoshop. And I'm going to do a review on that one also. Anyways, hopefully you like this video, and please subscribe and click the like, or however you guys like to do that. Anyways, have a great day.